No, I'll do it.
No, give me the camera.
Here, we have another one.
Hi.
It's been quite a busy day. So I thought just would take this guy out. Oh, you haven't been out for a while, huh? Come on. Right there. Come on. Yeah, the boy. Hi. Hi. Are you cleaning up? The house is clean. You don't have to clean. Let's see if we can get him a toy. Oh, my mom's home. Okay, well, I couldn't find any toys for him to play with because a certain someone always takes his toys away. But I have the next best thing. Usually like splashing around this little thing. Come here. Look. Here you go. Again. Go. Here you go. Good boy. Again. Good job. All clean? Are you all clean? Paco. I guess that was enough for the day. It is pretty cold out. I'm kind of shocked that he went in. Hi. Look, it's still really snowy out. So it's pretty cold in here. I didn't think he would go in, but he did. Good job. Okay. All right. Thank you. Right here. Right there.
Hi guys, so I was going crazy yesterday looking for a clip of that bird playing fetch. I really want to show you that. It's so funny, I love it, but I was caught up doing that and I forgot to end the vlog again. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. And I will make sure to keep looking for that clip and put it in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!